In this video, I'll guide you through how to link PayPal Business to JotForm. This process is essential if you're looking to streamline your online transactions through forms. Whether you're collecting payments for products, services, or donations, integrating PayPal Business with JotForm can make your workflow much smoother. Let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to jotform.com. This is where all the magic happens. So if you don't have an account yet, make sure you sign up and log in. Once you're on the site, you'll need to select the form you want to integrate with PayPal. If you haven't created a form yet, take a moment to set one up. After selecting your form, click on Edit Form. This will open the form builder where you can make changes to your form layout and settings. Now, look over to the left side of your screen and click on Add Element. This is where you'll find various tools to customize your form. From here, click on Payments. This section provides a list of different payment processors you can add to your form. Next, you'll see PayPal listed among the options. Click on PayPal, and you'll be prompted to enter a connection name. This name is simply for your reference, so choose something that clearly identifies this connection, especially if you plan to integrate other payment methods in the future. Once you've entered a connection name, it's time to click on Connect with PayPal. This will initiate the integration process. A new window will pop up directing you to PayPal's login page. Enter your PayPal business account credentials to log in. This step ensures that PayPal and JotForm can communicate seamlessly, allowing you to securely process payments through your forms. After successfully logging in, PayPal will ask for permission to connect with JotForm. Confirm this connection to complete the integration process. It's a simple click through, but very important to ensure everything is set up correctly. And that's it. You've now successfully linked your PayPal business account to JotForm. This integration not only makes payment collection easier, but also provides your customers with a trusted and efficient payment method. Before you finish, a quick tip. Always test your form to make sure the payment integration works smoothly. You can do this by making a small test transaction to verify the process from a user's perspective. This step helps you catch any potential errors before your customers do. By following these steps, you've set up a seamless payment solution that's ideal for any online business. This integration helps you manage transactions directly through your forms, saving you time and enhancing your customers' experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial has been helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Happy form building!